What are you making?
I'm making fillets and asparagus because it seems to be our go-to on the trail. And I am putting a little bit of robust extra virgin olive oil on the steaks. And I am also going to put a little salt and probably some garlic. Other than that, I'm going pretty minimalist on the way I'm seasoning the steaks compared to usual. Because usually I use a little rosemary and salt and pepper. And but today I'm just using a little salt and garlic and a little olive oil. But then I'll cook it in butter and we'll see how it turns out. I believe it's going to turn out pretty good. Alright.
Alright, here is our toilet. The only complaints I have is that it's too small in here. It did blow over last night in the wind. Besides that, I mean, it does what it's supposed to do, cover you. So I would say we probably need a bigger one.
Yeah.
That's pretty much it. That's all I have.
Alright, come here. So now, what do I do here?
So Kevin here is trying to learn to fly the drone, and it is definitely a hard task to do, especially if you have never done it. Some of you might disagree with me. Some of you have probably picked up the drone and flew it like a pro in the beginning, but we were definitely not blessed with those gifts. So, but anyways, it takes practice to fly it and be aware of your surroundings and be aware of where your camera's pointing and what you're looking at and everything that comes with flying with the drone. So we definitely like the views that we get, the shots that we get. You can't get that anywhere else unless you're in a helicopter. But I'm showing you these views uncut. I didn't edit these because I wanted you to see the difficulty it is to get that perfect shot with the drone right off the bat. But as you see, the camera here is turned to face down, but where he's located at, it looks like the trees are upside down. So in a real scenario, I guess this is really a real scenario, but I would edit this out. But I'm showing you this, that you don't just pick up the drone and have the perfect shot. So, but we went with the DJI Mavic Mini. And the reason why we went with that one is the cheapest of the few that they have. It is small and compact. We wanted something that was easy to pack up with the rest of our camera gear. And 3, we didn't, just in case if we lost it, broke it, crashed it, we weren't out of the pocket too much. So those are the reasons why we got the Mavic Mini. So, and until we get some more practice in and become better at the drone, as you see, it's a little jumpy here. We definitely were going to stick to the cheaper version. But you wouldn't be able to get these scenes without it. So as you see right there, you can see our little camp spot. We got the bean and the Jeep in our little area where we use the bathroom. We're flying right over it. But I just wanted to show you these uncut scenes. But here in a few minutes, I'm going to give them a little help and add some music and edit it a little bit and turn it into a better shot, so to speak, after editing. So keep watching. As you see, Kevin eventually gets better at it.